How to search phone number on Google. Searching tips for Google. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google, then go to search bar, and then paste the number you want to search. After you have done that, the website related to the specific numbers will pop up in this way. And from here, you can see all the list you want to see. If you find anything you want, simply click on the website and then you will find all the information. This is how to search phone number on Google. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.